up, all my chef and chefettes? It's your boy, Chef Bond. I'm back in the kitchen. You know what? I got a special guest today. Oh, very special guest. I got my grandson, Special K, Kyler, Chef Kyler with me today. Say hi to all the chef and chefettes.
Hi.
You excited about today?
Yeah.
Oh, we got something special for all the chefs, chefettes. You know what? Also the junior chef and chefettes, the little ones his size. We're making the famous Chaney chocolate chip cookies. Say that, Kyler.
We're making the famous Chaney chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, did you hear him? Oh, it's going to be so good. Oh, delicious. They're going to come out of that oven. They're going to have a little crisp around the edges. They're going to be soft and chewy on the inside. The Chaney chocolate chip cookies. Coming right back to you. All right, all my chef and chefette. You know what? We're going to go through the ingredients for this very simple but delicious Chaney chocolate chip cookie recipe. So, Kyler, let's tell them what we're going to put inside this cookie.
Okay, so we're going to put butter.
Yes, butter.
Sugar.
White sugar.
White sugar. Brown sugar.
All right.
Egg.
Yes. Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
Baking powder.
Baking powder. Salt. And then
Flour.
Then chocolate chips.
That's it. So that's it. 9 ingredients will go into the Chaney chocolate chip cookie. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and get started here in a second. And we're going to put all of our ingredients in. We already have our pan already oiled up and ready to go. And then we're going to pop them into the oven. And they're going to come out with that nice crisp edge and all that chewy gooey inside. What you think?
I think it's going to be yummy.
Yummy! That's the word of the day. Yummy. That's it. So stay with us. We'll be right back. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's time to start. So first thing you want to do, you want to put the butter and the white and brown sugar in there. And then you want to mix that until it's very soft. Once it's soft, Kyler, you want to add the egg?
Yes.
Whoa! Just make sure we don't get any shells in there, so pour that out. Set that there. All right, looks good. Oh yeah, we got the egg added. Now let's add the vanilla extract. I'm gonna get you a towel. Got the vanilla extract in there. Yep. Now we're gonna take the hot water and the baking soda right there. Let me wipe that off for you. Add that in there. Pour it all in. Make sure it's all in. There you go. Good job. All right. Now let's add the salt. Oh, excellent. Excellent job. And now what we're going to do, we're going to add the flour in just a little bit at a time. So here, I'll start out, and then I will let you take over from there. That's right. Good chefs always have a towel, don't they?
Yes.
All right. Here, you want to add some?
Yep.
All right. Your job. Here, I'll hold it for you. Nice. I think you've been cooking before. Have you been cooking before?
Yes, I have, everyone.
All right. Tell everybody what you've cooked before. Look right there into the camera.
I cook Rice Krispies. So go to my mom's Facebook, Mandy Beardsley, and look at my cooking show. Thank you.
All right. All right. Let's continue to mix that. What's the last ingredient we have to add?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. All right. So you want to add some chocolate chips in there?
Yes.
I'm going to cut this off. Go ahead and add those in.
Okay.
All right. Now let's, oh, look at this. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to let the chocolate chips mixed into the dough. And when we come back, we're putting them on the cookie tray and they go straight to the oven. Ain't that right?
Yes.
These cookies are gonna be what?
Yummy.
Yummy! All right, all my chef and chefettes, stay tuned. We'll be right back with you. All right, all my chef and chefettes, it's your boy, Chef Chaney with Chef Kyler, back here in the Chaney kitchen. Hey, we've been rolling out our cookie dough. We got them all out there. Kyler, how you doing on that last one? You got it rolled?
Yep, I did.
All right, we'll put it on the tray for Paw. And you know what? I think they're ready for the oven. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, well, you know what? We're going to pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes. And I just want you guys to stay with me. And after 10 minutes, they're going to be coming out nice and hot. And what are they going to taste when they come out?
They're going to taste yummy.
Yummy! The word of the day, yummy. All right, so stay with us. 10 minutes, we'll be right back to you. All right, all my chef and chefettes, you know what? I pulled those cookies out of the oven. They sitting here, they cool. I got my Chef Kyler here. He's holding them up so you can see them. Don't they look beautiful?
Yes, they do.
Yes, they do. So you know what now, what time it is, Kyler?
It's time to eat them.
That's right, it's time to eat. So, all right, now you know what? We got another special guest here. My daughter, she's home for Thanksgiving. Well, she's been home before Thanksgiving, but she's here, and she's gonna dip into these cookies with us. So, Kyler, get you one. Choose whichever one you want. Peyton, get you one. You know, me and Peyton, we're old school. We like to dip ours. Kyler, he like to just jump right in. So, let's.
That's yummy right there.
Yeah, very.
Oh man.
Wow.
Kyler, can you taste the chocolate chips?
Mm-hmm.
What you think?
Chocolate chips are the yummy part of it.
Mm-hmm.
See, like, look, they're like melted.
Now what about around the edges? Are they crispy?
Yeah.
Chewy on the inside?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
These are perfect.
Oh.
Good job, chefs.
The Chaney chocolate chip cookie coming to your house real soon. Go ahead. It's Thanksgiving. Try it out. Have it for that dessert after that turkey and that ham and the macaroni and cheese and all the other fixings. Try the Chaney chocolate chip cookie. You can't go wrong. Oh.
That was good. I might need another one, chefs.
Hey, Kyler, don't tell Mimi if I get another one, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Put Mimi's right there so she can hear you.
He gave me up, everybody. My grandson gave me up. But you know what? I thank you guys for watching. Please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Chaney. Don't forget, email me at chefchaney1911@gmail.com. Follow me on Pinterest. I'm everywhere. Make sure you also pass it to a friend. More subscribers I get, the more recipes Chef Chaney and my future chef right here we can bring to you. All right? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.